Hello guys, this is PC Mac Architect. So in today's video we want to try out how to set up the iPad dock connector to VGA adapter. So we have the iPad dock connector to VGA this adapter, and we have the monitor. So now we have the connector, so let's try to connect both the monitor and the iPad. So now let's try out how to use this display. For example, if we use the keynote, so I have presentation here. Okay. So for example, this picture get automatically the display. Okay, you can see just by touching. Okay. I want to show, for example, all the features of this presentation. For example, if I want to show a video or something on the display, go to videos of this Steve Jobs at the D8 conference. Just click play. Control the sound.
They're still going to be around. They're still going to have a lot of value, but they're going to be used by one out of X.
We can have any kind. We can control any kind of presentation, video or anything we want. Let's try out also for the. Let's try now to use this display for the for some pictures presentation with the music or something. For example, if we see this picture, try slideshow with the music. Start the slideshow. Oops. So thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye.